everyone, it's me Anika and this is my first YouTube video and na first YouTube video ఏం చేయాలని చాలా ఆలోచించాను and దీని తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలో ఐడియా ఉంది కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలో అసలు ఐడియా లేదు ఆలోచించి really got mad and finally ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చింది. సో ఫస్ట్ వీడియో మనం ఏం చేసినా యూట్యూబ్ కోసంగా చేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అంటే ఇప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ కోసం వీడియోస్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏదో ఒకటి కావాలి. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కావాలంటే నీట్గా ఉండాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ వీడియో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ డెకరేషన్తో ఏమైనా ట్రై చేద్దామని అనుకున్నాను. అండ్ దీంట్లో ఉన్న స్పెషల్ ఏంటంటే ఎక్కువ మనీ పెట్టకుండా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఏం యూజ్ చేయకుండా సింపుల్గా మన బడ్జెట్లో ఇంట్లో చేసుకోవచ్చు ఈజీగా అనేది ఏంటి అని నేను డిఐవై చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఏంటి అసలు ప్లేస్, అసలు మా ఇంట్లో నాకు ప్లేస్ దొరకలేదు. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఎక్కడ చేసుకోవాలి అనేది ఫైనలీ ఐ ఫౌండ్ సమ్ ప్లేస్ టు డూ దిస్ అండ్ ఎలా తంటాలు పడ్డాను ఏం చేశాను అన్ని చూసేయండి. లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్.
So now we need to make some cushions for our background. Now in order to make the first DIY, the first thing that you will need is a piece of cloth. The amount of the cloth we are using will not cost you more than 50 rupees. And I am placing some newspapers under the cloth. The second thing that you will need is some sketch pens. So I got this entire pack for rupees 30. You just want to go on scribbling all these sketch pens on the top of the cloth. Now when you're scribbling these colors, you want to make sure that the two colors kind of intersect in the between. So once I am done scribbling on the entire piece of cloth, I am just gonna grab some rubbing alcohol. I bought a bottle of rubbing alcohol rupees 20. I transferred it on the spray can. Just wanna spray on it on the entire cloth. You're just gonna spray more on the area where the two colors are overlapped. After which it's completely dried, you have to fold it to half and just glue on 3 sides of the square. Once you are done glue 3 sides, you have to fold it inside out and stuff the pillow with some cotton or wool. But I decided to stuff it with some wool. And now let's make the second cushion. This is my favorite cushion. It's a tassel cover cushion. Now you can make the cushion cover like how I showed you, but you can also attach these tassels on the cushion you already had in your home. For the first thing, I got a square piece of cardboard, or you can just use 4 fingers. It's just easier for me with a piece of cardboard. And I took some red ant, and of course you can use any color you want. I picked up totally 6 colors, which costed me 15 rupees each. So you just want to wrap this wool for about 40 to 50 times. Once you are done with those many number of wraps, you just want to cut a small piece of wool and just tie it how I am doing. Once you are done tying it on one side, flip the cardboard towards the other and just cut, and you will be left with something just looks like this. skip to look like actual tassel, you want to cut the other small wool. In the couple of centimeters from the top, you want to tie it to kind of make like the head of the tassel. Once you are done with making all these tassels, you just want to place all the tassels around the pillow to kind of get the idea how you would want to place it. I decided to actually hot glue it, but you can also make it stitched. Cushion number 3 is the easiest DIY actually of all of them. The final result was so pretty. I picked up a leaf and I painted one side with some fabric paint, and I think small box of fabric paint costed me ₹30. So I just painted it on the pillow cover. Now I know it's look very kiddish, but once I stamp it on, it looks like I bought it, not even like I made it at home. So it's very simple and cute DIY. Now I am sure you will have a shawl that which you are not using. I had many. I picked up around 5 balls of wool which costed me around 70 rupees. I got some white wool and I began to making this pom-pom. If you have no idea how to make pom-pom, it's very simple. I started off by taking my cardboard and wrapping the end around 80 times. You can do less or more. You want to pull it out of the cardboard, and also you want to grab a piece of wool. You want to place a small piece of wool that you just cut under the wrapped wool and just tie it under center, making it look like a bow. Once you are done tying it at the center, you want to cut the upper and the lower portion of your pom-pom. And once you are done, your pom-pom should look something like this. To look like an actual pom-pom, you want to grab these two pieces of cardboard. You want to layer that pom-pom between these cardboard pieces. You want to trim the excess. You want to do that 2 or 3 times. Repeat the process. You just want to take it onto your hand and fluff it on. After that, grab your shawl to understand the placement and position, and then just stick it on using some hot glue gun.